Atkins Civil 3D Video Series, Base 4, Default Feature and Label Settings. This video illustrates A. Default Feature Settings and B. Default Label Style Settings. The settings for all objects created in Civil 3D are located in the Tool Space Settings tab and are displayed in a level tree format, with Level 1 being to the left of the tree. Level 1 is often referred to as a top level or drawing name level. Level 2 as a feature or category level. Level 3 and 4 is the styles or command level, and level 4 and 5 the objects level. For a parameter value of an object setting at a particular level, the value of the corresponding parameter in the higher level to the left is considered the parent setting, and in the lower level to the right, the child setting. The parameter value set in the parent level is automatically conveyed to the setting in the child level unless an override has been created in the child level. If a parameter is locked at a level, it cannot be overridden in a lower level. If a parameter at a current level has been overridden in a lower level, it cannot be locked at the current level. The Atkins C3D template drawing that is included with the tutorial drawings contains the recommended parameters for a large majority of default settings at all levels. The settings contained in the Atkins template drawing are good for the design and preparation of construction drawings using AutoCAD Civil 3D for all types of projects, not just for the tutorial. There may be additional settings required for a specific project, but the settings in the template should be suitable for over 90 to 95% of the work. To review or modify the parameters in the top level drawing settings, right-click the drawing name, select Edit Drawing Settings. In the Drawing Settings dialog box, 5 tabs will be displayed: Units and Zone, Transformation, Object Layers, Abbreviation, and Ambient Settings. For the initial drawing of a new project, the parameters in the Units and Zone tabs should be checked and set to the desired values. Drawing units, generally feet. Angular units, generally degrees. Scale, select the desired drawing scale from a drop list, or enter a custom scale where needed. Zone, select the coordinate zone in which the project is located, USA, Arkansas. Select the desired state plane coordinate system from a drop list. Generally use the US foot, where 1 meter equals 39.37 feet with 499,999 inches in 12.7 kilometers. After January 2023, the International Foot will be the predominant system, where 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, or 1 foot equals 0.3048 meters, with 500,000 inches in 12.7 kilometers. The Transformation tab allows the setting of various parameters to convert the current drawing coordinate system to the state plane or other coordinate system. The Object Layers tab is used to set the default layers for objects when they are initially created. The default settings that are contained in the Atkins template drawing included with the tutorial drawings are shown. The object layer settings for a particular object category is generally modified throughout the drawing preparation process for the specific type of object that is being created. The Abbreviations tab contains the abbreviations used in labels for various objects that are created. Atkins has modified some abbreviations which are commonly used in many Western states. BC for beginning of curve in lieu of TC, tangent curve. EC for end of curve in lieu of CT, curve tangent. PRVC for point of reverse vertical curve in lieu of VCR, vertical curve reverse, and PCVC for point of compound vertical curve in lieu of VCC, vertical curve compound. The Ambient Settings tab contains the settings that control the units and precision of objects when they are created. Imperial units with accuracy of 2 decimal places, precision 2, are generally used. The default settings that are contained in the Atkins template drawing are shown. Angles with decimal degrees and precision 2 are generally preferred for construction drawings. Bearing and direction angles used in surveys are generally degrees, minutes, and seconds with precision 4. To review or modify the default top-level label style settings, in Tool Space Settings tab, right-click the drawing name, edit Label Style Defaults. 6 categories are displayed in the Drawing Settings dialog box: Label, Behavior, Plan Readability, Components, Leader, and Drag State Component. The Label category contains a text style. Select the desired style from a drop list of previously defined styles. Arial style is mostly used by Atkins because it is compact, easily readable, and a true type font, which means the thickness of a letter stroke is proportional to its height. Okay. Label visibility, false or true, generally true. Layer. Select from dialog box the desired layer for the style and type of label being created. Okay. The Behavior category includes orientation reference. Object, the label is orientated to the object that it references. View, the label is orientated to the user coordinate system plan view in which the label was initially created. World coordinate system, the label is always orientated to the world coordinate system. Forced insertion, the label is inserted in relation to the object which it references, none, top, or bottom. Force inside curve, none, inside, outside. The plan readability controls how the label is read when it is rotated at various angles. Plan readable, generally true. Readability bias controls the angle at which the label readability will reverse. Set as desired. Default is 110 degrees. Flip anchors with text. This setting controls the action of the leader as the label angle is rotated. True, the leader is flipped. False, the leader is not flipped. Generally false. The Components category controls various aspects of each component of the label. A label can contain several components consisting of text, reference text, lines, and/or blocks. Text height. Select the desired height for the label. So as not to overpower other objects, Atkins uses a text height of 0.08 inches for a majority of its labels in construction drawings. Some agencies require a minimum height of 0.10 inches. The color, line type, and line weight are all by layer. For a few labels, Atkins has overridden the line type and line weight by layer setting. The Leader category controls the appearance of a leader that may be attached to the label. Arrowhead style. Several arrowhead styles are available from a drop list. Atkins uses closed field as a default. Arrowhead size, set as desired. Atkins uses 0.10 inches as the default size. Visibility, set as true or false. Atkins default is true. Type, straight leader or spline leader. Spline is also known as a curved leader. The default is straight leader. The color, line type, and line weight are by layer. The drag state component controls the appearance of the label and associated leader when the label is dragged away from its initial insertion point. Display as composed is Atkins' default setting. The appearance of the label will remain as initially inserted. Stacked text. When dragged, the label will be converted to a stacked text appearance, which allows for many changes in the appearance of the dragged label, including border, background mask, text height, and other parameters. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.